The Lockheed Martin C5 Galaxy is the largest transport aircraft in the world. The Boeing C17 Globemaster is the second largest transport aircraft in the world, and the Ilyushin IL76 is also one of the largest transport aircraft in the world. The C17 produces 450 knots power while it can haul. Max payload capacity of C17 is 177,000 pounds, and it can travel at a range of 2420 nautical miles. The Ilyushin IL76 produces 410 knots. The C5's maximum takeoff weight is 840,000 pounds and maintains a range of 4800 nautical miles. The Boeing C-17 Globemaster is also referred to as the crisis bird of the Indian Air Force, and the IL-76 is also referred to as Gajraj in the Indian Air Force. Both the C-17 and IL-76 have been in service with many air forces around the world, whereas the C-5 has been primarily in service with the US Air Force.